Okay, so this video is going to be very short today, guys. Today is the day that we've kind of been counting on, looking forward to. I just wanted to kind of review how you go in, what you do before you take the test. So, like I said before, this is not a timed test. These questions are not timed at all. Okay, so take your time. Take all the time that you need. Think about, use context clues to help you on the ones that you're not sure of. This test is a test that as you get more right, it's going to get harder. Okay, so if you feel like it's getting harder, that's a good thing. Okay, if you're having to spend more and more time on each question, that's a very positive thing because that means that it's kind of scaffolding and it gets harder as you do well. Okay, so uh, if it's getting harder, that's a positive thing. So work hard and hope that it gets harder. Um, so as you guys log in, okay, so you can see hi student Calder. It will say your name right here. But as you log in, rather than going into this right here, it is this right here under assessments, the reading inventory. Okay, you'll click on that. It will say, what kind of books do you like to read? You're going to pick 3 of them. Okay, you're going to pick 3 different things here. Okay, and then you'll push next and you'll be on your way. Okay, so yeah, just work hard, do a good job. I really hope to see progress from every single student. I want you guys to do a good job, work hard, and let's celebrate our success. So, um, one thing that I will do is for each of you, I'm going to give you your score from last time, just so that I'll just give it to you on a sticky note. So, um, you know what? Those of you who are at home, I'll send you a message in messages with your past score. Okay. Um, anyway, you know what? Honestly, maybe I won't because what it is basically your Lexile. You're trying to beat your Lexile score. Okay. So you guys can see your Lexile score within your, let's see, it won't let me right here. Um, if you have questions on what you're trying to beat, then you just let me know, and I will make sure that you have that. Okay. Sorry for the confusion there, but if you have questions, if you know what you're trying to beat, just email me or come talk to me in class, whatever, and I'll let you know. Okay. Excuse me. Tomorrow we'll be pushing forward, trying to finish up our writing and getting that squared away. And moving on. So we're almost done with this workshop, and then we're kind of moving on to some new topics, which is always a fun thing because it's just nice to have a breath of fresh air and something different. We'll be moving on from these child rights activists, has been a great experience. It's been a good thing to learn about them and understand what they do and think about what we can do to make things better. But we will be moving on. So pretty soon anyway. We've just got to get through it, and then I'll give you guys like a little assessment at the end of the workshop to see where we're at. So have an amazing day, guys. Work hard on the test, and let's all make some progress. Thanks so much.